coming.
I can't wait to meet him.
Big brother.
Yes.
Hi, brother. I brought somebody for you. I would like you to get along with her. Her name is Angela.
Greetings, Angela. How are you?
I'm fine. Greetings, my prince.
Yes, like I said, her name is Angela, and I heard she's from a well-respected home, so I brought her for you.
To me?
You like her?
Kamsi, can I talk to you for a second, please?
Okay. Okay, I'll see you later. You would ask.
What's going on? Why bring a random girl to me?
I'm sorry I didn't notify you before doing that, but I was so worried about you finding it difficult to find a wife for yourself. So I took it upon myself to get one for you.
I never asked you for help.
Yes, I know.
I never asked you for help. I never told you to get me a wife.
I know, but trust me. I brought her from a reliable source. Okay, hold on. Can we do it this way? Just give her a chance. She could be the wife you've been looking for all this while. Just give her a chance.
Come see. I don't need your help to find a wife. I can find a woman myself.
No, brother. Just give Angela a chance. Who knows? She might come out to be the best you've seen. Please.
So, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm into hairs. I sell hairs online. I'm into POS business.
So, and what about your parents?
Well, I'm the first daughter in a family of four. My parents are still alive.
Lucky you. I've lost both my parents. It's just my sister and I. You know...
I'm so sorry, my prince.
It's okay. I just need a woman who can take care of me and be very close to my sister and understand there is so much work to be done, especially in this kingdom.
And I believe, my prince, I'm that woman.
Eat your food.
Thank you.
She no dey. Where my food? Who carry my food back keep here now? I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like this kind of thing. Who carry my food now? Who carry my food? Eh? What did they do with my food?
I don't understand. Which food is your food? The restaurant for this food. Fascina. Your mom don't for this food. Maybe me to do this fuck over. Food why buy from here and they tell me say my food. They mad.
You buy waiting, you buy food. Okay, you buy food with my plate, Abi.
I don't understand. Before they will put her for my palm. No, I made her put her for my palm. Make her no say not your place.
Food where I cook. Keep her for outside. May enter inside carry water. You can't carry my food. They tell me say na your food. Not if na your food. Why you don't go inside chop the food? You come here hide, they chop the food.
Now because say you get blind, you see say I don't run. I dey run from landlord. Now wetin make me dey here dey chop am. Don't come.
Now you be come. You won't give me my food though. You won't give me my food. Give my food.
Don't collect am.
Give my food.
If I slap you.
Abike, wetin happen? See, she's eating my food. She stole my food. Don't know she.
Ekene, when you go stop to the thief for this compound?
Do you say Kanana joke to you, Abi? No, Kanana joke to you. Don't open my door, come here anyhow. Now me the court thief.
Not be the evidence be this.
No wonder you wrong with that brain. Now me the court thief. If I slap you, the grace.
Return somebody's food. Not a thief.
Don't carry on.
Give my food. 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 Give my food.
Wow! It's a drop food from me, Abi.
Now your own.
I don't eat that food.
Give my food. Give my food.
What do you mean by the card is not going through? The card I obtained last night? I mean, don't play a fast one on me. Where they do you, Joe? I mean, try the card again. Huh? Try him. Try him.
I'm trying the card. I've blocked it.
My prince, I'm sorry. Prince, I'm sorry.
I'm wondering, what makes you think that you could walk into this palace and steal from me?
My prince, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, my prince.
Really? You know, I was even considering you and thinking of taking this relationship to a higher level. I was almost at the verge of deciding to make you my wife.
My prince, My prince, I'm sorry.
Little did I know that you were a born thief. A calculated thief.
My prince is a devil's work, my prince. Seriously, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened.
Now I want you to listen and listen good. I don't want to ever see you anywhere around me.
My prince, I'm sorry.
This palace ever again.
My prince, I'm so sorry.
Gods!
My prince, please. My prince.
Don't touch me!
I'm sorry.
Gods!
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, please.
Take this born thief out of this palace.
Stand up!
My prince, please forgive me.
Stand up.
My prince.
I don't want to ever see her close to that gate again.
I'm so sorry. I should have seen Angela for who she is.
It's okay. It's not your fault.
I'm so disappointed. Honestly.
You know, marriage isn't something that you should rush into. You know, that's why I'm taking my time.
I know, but you still need to marry. Because you need to secure the throne.
I know. But that doesn't mean you go out there and bring a disaster into this family all in the name of marriage. I have to be very careful.
But you know we still need to act fast.
Yes. But we have to be careful because we have something to protect. They have nothing to lose.
True. And that is why we need to act fast, like I said.
Yes.
Where is my water? Who carry my water while I keep here now? Wetin dey happen for this compound? I know they like this kind of thing. Who carry my water? Oh! Who collect my water? If you don't say you collect my water, come out though. Come give me my water now. I don't have strength for this.
Waiting again. Waiting happen. Wetin happen?
I carry water drop for here. May I go inside collect sponge. Before I come out, person don't carry my bucket, carry my water, keep me on for here.
You serious? Sure say na here you keep your bucket of water.
I'm sure. Now here I keep am.
Who gon carry? Na wow, water na still wetin dey thief again for? Which kind compound? Neighbor! Who carry that water na? No worry, calm down. Go call compound meeting. You go see who carry. Neighbor! Wow. Calm down now.
Wow. You know how much I buy that water?
Don't worry.
You know how much I buy that water?
I just tired. Who dey thief water sef? Me just tired. Who go just wake up, you go carry person water? No worry, we go call compound meeting. They go find who collect your water.
Make they bring am o. Make they bring am o.
Oh, which kind of thing be this one? Your own water. Hey! It thing shock me o. Which kind? And you no stay long inside o.
I no stay long na just to collect sponge.
Now your water just disappear just like that. Hey! Now wow.
Make they bring my water o. Make they bring my water o. I no dey like this kind thing o.
Just calm down. You go see your water. We go come meeting for the water.
Ekene.
What's happened?
Now you carry my water.
My water? What's happened? As I come out, I want to go fetch water. I can't see what I carry. I don't know what's in a person get up.
You know nothing a person get down. You know as I take fetch that water. You know how I take stuff I fetch that water.
Shut up. Not be on met, they climb here, go fetch water. This half bucket, oh, now you fetch, now you don't shout, they mad. Now me they talk to. I be a Kenan and nickname to you. And they joke. You want make I show you what they can do?
That half bucket where you dey call now 150 oh. That half bucket that 150.
Shut up your mouth.
You go give me my money, I beg. I want the money.
You say what?
Give me the money for the water now. I no get money again, I beg.
Huh. Kenan and nickname. No, wait. Mommy, the flow talk.
You go give me that 150.
They say the water na 150. Give her money.
Give her.
You know say I no follow you talk. Now why you long no brain? They follow me talk. You dey mad. Why they talk to them? Stand up. Stand up.
What's in the way? What's the deal for head?
Because say you shut up and they talk.
This kid is. I go show her now you.
What you talk?
Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. Now because not be my water you carry.
Don't mind. I don't know good mood. If not, for tear you stuff.
I know why they leave you. I know why they leave you, Ekene. I know why they leave you. Next time, not try am o.
I beg carry this up to tomorrow. What if you do? If I try am next time, what you go do? Tell me. What if you do?
Sorry, I need to introduce myself properly. I'm actually the princess of this land, and I think it's wrong of pointing that gun at me.
If I slap you, you dey crazy. You dey mad. So they worry you for head. Let me they talk to you. You know who I be? I can't joke to you. You be pre-waiting. You know who I be? Come down from that car. They tell me you be pre-waiting. Pre-wow on there. Come down from that car and move your stuff. Like that there. They're crazy. Why they talk? I tell you make you talk. You be princess. I don't blame you now. No, I don't blame you. Bring them out, I beg.
I'm sorry, I don't have anything.
What do you mean?
It's in the car.
Hello, bro. No, it's okay. I'll be there soon so we can put closure to the deal. It's okay, just hold on, I'll call you back. What is it? What is going on? What?
I was attacked. I was robbed.
By who? Where? Robbed?
I was attacked by one nonsense girl because she's a tomboy. She came with a guy, one other guy like that, and they were pointing gun at me, a princess, the princess of this kingdom. God knows that if not for that gun, I would have not let her go with my bag.
Wait, were you hurt?
She slapped me. She slapped me and made away with my valuables.
I'm so sorry about the slap and everything, but...
She slapped me. She slapped me. The princess, she slapped me.
Calm down.
So embarrassing.
Kamsi, I'm so happy that you were not hurt in the first place.
But I just told you that she slapped me.
And whatever thing that was taken from you, you can replace. It's okay.
Well, another one. What have you been doing in this town?
Yeah.
Yes, because this shows that we're not safe. What have you been doing since our parents died? Please, you should look up to this. Do something about it. We're no longer safe here. Do something. This is so disrespectful. I mean, why would you slap a princess? Why would you slap me? The way she dragged me out of the car, the way she was pointing the gun.
Come see. Okay, just relax. You can go upstairs and relax. I'm sure you will feel better by the time you're done.
Your nonsense guards couldn't even do anything. So shameless.
This one
confirm original. This one now lipstick where they rub from out.
What are they carry this one do now? Who get time to do that one now?
Better money. What's with this one now?
Calm down, man. Calm down.
The money never complete now. Complete the money now.
Why they greedy? Wetin make you always dey greedy? Unyedika. Who bring this business come table? No be me. Why they talk? Okay, now you want tell me how much you want give you on top business why I bring Abi? You drink ogogoro join. I beg you now. Even the two where we use go around the business, not be me bring them. What do you bring? And you want coin buga for me? Remind of.
I beg you, make I tell you. You don't tell when you cheat me. See this one? Go share them. Half. See, make I tell you. If you no share them, half. I go tell princess. We go carry police. Come and arrest you. I tell you. Bring out the money, share them half.
You know say you dey shout, Abi. You dey shout. Oyana, calm down now. Your blood too dey hot.
Oh yeah, bring them. Bring my own share. Complete them. Never do complete them. Just nothing. Complete them, I beg.
Why they do like this, Nana? Because I they keep quiet to just buga anyhow. Now for you.
You don't begin to shout.
No, you are not go shout. No, be you start first to the shout. When you don't say you supposed to keep quiet. You dey tell me side the shout.
Bring them. Bring more. I dey see the money now. See the bunch. I dey see them. Bring them.
Now for you. All this money now, I no say now for a shower you want go spend them. No be say you get any. What do they do? What do you want use this money do now?
You know, consign you.
Take you just a day.
No, where you come? Twale. Twale. DJ. That here. I better watch. I will go dispose this one, collect money.
Give me, Jory, give me. As they talk say you don't collect money, they tell me you dey greedy. I go sell them, I no go give you shishi.
If you try am, you will go boss. I tell you.
Make it boss. Guy, make it boss. What's it that worry you? Now so you be. You too greedy, I beg you.
that one?
This one where you dey shout. I know say you don't arrange her. You don't arrange her.
Why you talk with me like that? What's the meaning of this nonsense? You want me to food choke me?
Nah, I reach house, oh, I don't come see food. Now make a show.
What's in that one from me? I resemble your mama for your eye. You know the money you carry for hands, so why not go use and go buy food? They tell me say you go your house, no see food.
Okay, in case you know she on her top PC.
Who tell you say T5? Who tell you say T5? I just open mouth and talk anyhow. Who tell you say T5? You respect yourself, fool. Then they call me thief indirectly now.
But make I ask you, what be your business for this village? What you dey do for as business? No be your business. We know you now.
And if you're hungry, you chop. No dey too talk. Just open mouth.
Not too much. You sabi how to piam. Something go pia disappear.
Chop.
Ekene, you too much, oh.
Let's go. Go carry on.
Wow! Yeah, you disappear. Too much.
It's no big joke.
I didn't tell you.
Chop. I see Hey!
This one too, though.
Ekene.
It's too much.
Ekene no be nickname.
Bam! Yeah. Go to there like this. You pass, go to the plan.
Bam! Foul!
My friends.
Oh no.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, oh no.
I'm here to see you.
Right now?
Yes, my friends.
No. Let's do this tomorrow. I have a place to be.
No, my friends, this cannot wait. It's about what we discussed last time. I want to know your decision about the discussion.
Oh no, like I said, tomorrow. Okay, I have a very important place I need to be now.
My prince, you know what I'm talking about is equally serious.
Can't it wait till tomorrow?
No, my prince. Let's discuss this.
Are you dying tomorrow?
My prince, we have to discuss this now. It's very important that we discuss now.
Let's talk tomorrow. I have a very important place to be.
In the history of this kingdom, it has never stayed this long without a king. He has to do the needful, sit on the throne of his fathers and see to the affairs of this kingdom.
I've actually been speaking to him about that.
Oh, is it that he is not interested in sitting on the throne of his father?
He is. He is. I think he's finding it difficult to get a wife, just like he all required, before he can sit on the throne.
But there are beautiful girls in this kingdom. This kingdom is blessed with most beautiful ladies, which he can make his choice from.
Yes, exactly. But I don't know why he does not want to marry from this kingdom.
Maybe you should come in, help him make a choice.
Me?
Yes, you are his sister. And if you really want him to sit on the throne, you should come in and help. Time is going. And very soon the time given to him will elapse. And you know what that means, my dear princess. In case you don't know, it means the kingship will shift to another family. And I believe you don't want that to happen. Do you? Then you have to do something about this. You have to help.
Me, I no just understand this kind of stone rice. What this woman say for me? Which kind of thing be this one? Mama, people everywhere. Sure. What did I happen for here now? Abike! Fasina! Abike! What did happen now? What did happen? I no fit open my door. For what now? What did happen? I don't understand. Why you call they shout? I be something they worried for it. Why you they shout? You they crazy? You the mad? Now me they talk to like that. You want to tear slap? I don't understand why you want tear slap. You just come back, just they shout, they pray, and they call everybody name anyhow. What's happen? Oh yeah, no verse. What's happen? What happened to my door? I know if you open and what happened to my door? What happened? I want to know. Oga landlord though. Oga landlord do it.
He changed the padlock.
Wait oh. You mean say Oga landlord changed my padlock? Still get my speak gram on top.
He said you should leave immediately before he comes back.
You mean say Oga landlord get mine change my padlock? You don't even tell me. You don't even take permission from person where they live inside. Still speak gram on top. What if I tell and say 1 million there inside? Wetin be you want make I comot your teeth? I dey follow you talk. You dey mad? He get mine change my key because I dey live for him house already. So what now? No wahala. I know say on a two tell him make you do am.
We not do anything, no. We not tell him anything, no.
Hey, if you talk, I go snap you. I go tear you stuff. You don't know me, oh.
What did I do? Why you go slap me? What did I do?
No problem. I go see. You see, better they did that rice, so my mind did that rice. And they come
Which rice? Which kind person be this one?
If I not deal with 2 of 4 for this company, most of my name not be again.
This one don't crazy so.
Better way.
Now my rice even they put mind.
Oh, Philip, thank you very much. Honestly, I never knew that we were going to close this deal so quick.
I pray. You're my friend, and I keep telling you, I got your back always. Meanwhile, my prince, what is it? I don't like the fact that I keep calling you my prince, my prince. It's high time I started calling you my king. What is keeping us?
Philip, you know the problem. They said I must get a wife before I can be crowned, and that's it.
Then get a wife. It's not that hard. Get a wife. You already made money yourself before your father passed. So I don't see what is keeping you from getting a wife.
It's not about getting a wife. It's about getting the right person. And you know it. I can't just wake up one morning and pick any girl from the street and make her my wife. You know the implication. I must be very careful.
My friend and my friends. Save yourself that stress. You see, your title alone brings them to you. My brother, call and they will answer. Women are not the problem. Once you call, okay,
Philip, let me educate you on this. Do you know why I'm very careful?
Yeah, tell me.
There's a difference between getting a girl or a woman for yourself and getting a wife. I don't want a woman. I want a wife. And that's why I am bent on searching for the right person. And by the time the right person comes, fine. Apart from that, I can't settle for less. Do you understand?
Yeah, you and this your principles. Lighten up a bit so you can settle down and have a wife. We're here. We won't kill ourselves with drinks. We're here. But meanwhile, that deal, a lot of money is in it. A lot of money. This is how you smile anytime you talk about money. You too like money.
Ah, what's that?
Now me they ask, what is that? They ask me what's be that.
Yes, now what happen?
You drink ogogoro. I be like joke for your eye. No, it cannot be like joke for your eye. You get mine, go lock my door without my permission. They crazy.
What in the world? Don't say I want to sleep for my house again. No, you don't hear them. You want me to deal with you before you go leave my house?
You dey mad? What kind of fight? They crazy. Now me they follow talk like that. I dey find my 1 million naira I keep for house.
Maybe only 1 million now, 1 billion. You get 1 naira for house where if you pay me for house rent. Are you okay?
Oh, I dey joke.
Are you alright?
Hey, come here. I decrease. No, I decrease now, B. You say I decrease. I want to show you say I decrease. I dey find my money. Give me my money. Or you tell me say what's the worry?
I can leave my clothes. I know why they tell you. If now by the time of the war, by now you don't keep up for ground. I don't disgrace you now.
You dey set how I give. You dey mad. You dey crazy. Can I joke to you? I dey want you. You dey crazy. Give me my money, Jerry. No, they touch. You won't fight me. You sabi. Give me my money. They're mad. They're crazy. Who gave you the right to go and lock my door? Who told you?
Your landlord.
You did.
Your landlord.
Ono who said the kingmakers are not happy with you. This has lingered so long and I'm scared you will lose this throne.
Kamsi, this is marriage we're talking about. Besides, it's my life. Marriage isn't something one should rush into, else you rush out.
I know, okay? But your throne is at stake here. You're not even in a relationship, not to talk of settling down. Please, I don't want you to lose this throne. I mean, this is your right. You should fight for it.
Kamsi, I've heard you.
No, you've not heard me. You just want us to end this conversation, and I don't like it.
I said I've heard you. Can I have peace now? It's okay, I've heard you.
So, when are you bringing the new wife? We need to start making plans now, since you said you've heard me.
What to say? You waiting now. For landlord. What does she want? Can I joke for now?
Let's go.
Stop there! Hola, catch her! Hey! I just pray they catch this girl because her wahala don't too much for this compound. Catch you, Ekene. You don't know that girl. That girl Nekmerima. She can run for Africa. Eh? Hey! Can you imagine? He get mind. Wait, see, he carry her and walk on open landlord's door. Chai! Hey! That girl get mind. She get mind though. Hey! I fear who no fear. I no fear him. I no fear him at all. If you do anyhow, I go see anyhow. Eh? Iron lady. Not be that one. She don't do her beg. Hey!
Who is crying? What is going on? Now come. What is it? What happened? Why are you crying?
Oh no.
Eh?
Someone came to my house and took the pot of yam I prepared for my children.
Wow.
You know how difficult it is to survive in this kingdom.
Hey.
The person could not take pity on me. The person took my food I prepared.
This is terrible.
Oh no, I don't know what is happening in this kingdom. I don't know.
Please, calm down. Calm down. I understand what happened. Don't worry. I'm so sorry. We will look into it.
Oh no. Apologizing to me will not put food on my table. Either will he bring back the one that was stolen. Please, I'm begging you. The place or whosoever that is in charge of this kingdom should do something about the security of this kingdom. It is unfair.
Yes, we are looking into it already. As you can see, we don't have Iwe on throne. And a lot have gone wrong already. So, don't worry. We are looking into it. Don't worry.
What is holding the installation of a new king? How can a big kingdom like this be allowed to function without a king? Odema, is it good?
As I told you, we are looking into it. We are doing something about it already. Very soon, everything will be taken care of.
I'm not happy.
I know. Nobody will be happy. Anybody that this happens to will not be happy. I don't know where you are going, but I advise you go back to your house. Go back to your house and relax. Calm down. Oh
no, my food. My food.
As you said, if calming you down cannot bring back the food,
yes,
and cannot put food on your table.
Yes.
That's why you have to go back, calm down, and relax. Everything will be taken care of. Oh, go back home.
My food.
Go back home.
Oh no, my food.
Don't worry. Everything will be taken care of.
Okay. What did they pursue? What did they pursue?
Guy, Nekelebe.
What do you do now?
Now my landlord now, I beat him now.
Why you beat him now?
Why I no go beat him? That man look me finish, Use another key block my door. He get lost, I no even come on in teeth join. What did they worry him?
Nekelebe don't go. What do you go do?
Monica, as it be now, I no fit go back that house like this now. I beg, I feel just chill for your house for the night. Tomorrow I feel find my way. I beg.
They won't put me for trouble. Can you go for that uncompleted building, that hideout. Now there you go sleep.
Monica, something they worry me for. They crazy, they mad. What did they worry you? I'm your boss now. You tell me like I go on completed building, go, they mad.
You tell me say it's my boss. You know my boss anything. Who boss you now?
No, they do like this now. Small tea go they para. Calm down. Guy, calm down. Now just one night, I take one sleep for your house. Why they shout?
Not because you're my friend. You see, I go about you for one night. Only this night. Early paya tomorrow. You dey form up from my house. I tell you. You will get a deck every time now you die.
Yes, go now.
What could they go inside that? What could they go my house for? That's to work in for you.
My prince, I think your sister is not doing bad, honestly. She's looking out for your own interest. I believe she doesn't want you to lose the throne.
You've seen the last one I gave a chance. The least she could do was try to rob me. Honestly, that gender cannot be trusted. I keep saying it.
I don't believe you. I don't totally agree with you. Because there are still good ones out there. I have a friend, one of my colleagues in the office. Yeah. She's quite a good woman. Yeah, I must tell you.
There's something I've discovered. You know, this particular gender, they would always look nice, talk well, be of their best behavior, you know, have a soft way of talking until they get close to you and have their way into your life. Then they will show the real stuff they are made of. That's why one has to be very careful if you want to have anything to do with that particular gender. And that's the truth.
My prince, you know, that's my issue with you. You're quick to jumping into conclusions. Yeah. But my own indeed is, as long as I'm concerned, find a way and settle down. I'm tired of calling you my prince always. Become a king. Settle down, pick one. But if you see this one I'm telling you about in my office, she's beautiful. She's good. Calm down. Not the truth, show yourself.
She finished. Now she finished there.
Come see. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, come see. Longest time. It's good to see you. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. What are you doing here? Because this is my village. I mean, as a matter of fact, I'm the princess.
Oh, really? You're the princess?
Yes.
So beautiful.
Oh, you're not looking bad.
Thank you.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
Come on, let me drop you. Where are you going? Come.
All right.
Palace.
So this is true. You are actually a princess.
Yes. So, you know, the thing is, my father later became the king shortly after my family.
Oh, you know, you're right. I think that was the last time we met.
Yes.
Oh, longest time.
This is actually my private quarter.
Oh, so nice.
Thank you.
So, how about your parents?
They are dead.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's a long time. So it's just me and my brother who is yet to take over the throne. And I think he would even like to see you.
Oh, really?
Yes, he's a nice person and fun to be with. So he would like to see you. He'll be happy to see you.
Okay. Why not? I mean,
Let me get you something to drink.
yeah.
Benita! Benita! Benita!
Yes. I still remember you from way back then when I used to come visit my sister in the school.
Yes, my prince. You remembered.
Wow. Good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
Have you had something to eat?
Yes, your sister have given me something to eat. Thank you so much for the hospitality.
You're welcome. Feel at home, okay?
Thank you, my prince.
Anyhow you want them, I go give them to you. I'm equal to the task, that's so I be. I know the thief, I know the find trouble, but if you pass you, something must last you. Ooh, well look at the wire, oh you do. This life will not be like this, yo. Look at the wire.
I checked you up in your room.
Yes, I stepped out to get something.
Okay. Your friend. It's 9 p.m. and she's still there. Would she be going home?
Actually, she's the reason I came here. I want to talk to you about her.
How?
I know you still remember her, right? Then when you used to pick me from my primary school, she used to be our prefect and she's very good. Everybody, like, she's somebody that everybody wants to be around, everybody wants to be friendly with because she's kind, she's nice.
Come see, please. Listen. I don't have time for girls.
I know,
Listen,
but
please. I still don't understand. Why do you want me to see her?
come on, you know, give her a chance to.
Just to do what?
You need a wife, and you need a good one at that. I promise you, she can make a good wife for you. Trust me. As a matter of fact, she's in the visitor's room, and I guess you should go there and see her. I mean, get along with her, know her better. Even, do you understand? Just go there.
Come see.
I even told her that you want to see her.
Huh?
Yes.
Me? How?
And that's why she's still here by this time.
You told her that?
Yes, now.
Hey, come see. What is wrong with you?
Because I want a better life for you. I want you to be happy. Just go and see her, okay? She's not harmful. Just go.
How much you want buy the goat?
Sure say this goat na your own.
They're mad. Something don't worry you for head. Which kind of stupid question be that? Now why your life yeah? How much they buy the goat? I be no they buy. Make I come up for here now.
Calm down. Now your body too dey hot. Fine. How much you want sell am?
How much you want buy am? If you know enter, make a bawala door. No get time, guy. I beg.
I might go check the goat.
Can talk now. Talk make we come here. See me here.
Bigger. Hold
on.
Yeah.
Isn't it not the goats I'm searching for?
The Chris.
The Chris.
Something they worry you for. They mad. Wait, they talk. They write your name for this goat. They mad.
You know my power.
Close your mouth.
Is there any other person in this village that will steal my goat except you? Get one daddy. Get a daddy.
Hey! You dare? You call me thief. No, this man they call me thief. I go change am for you. You go change am for me. I go change am for you.
Okay. Yeah, daddy. Mbasano, e dey from nenu egum. Daddy.
Because say you are red cap, I be thunder fire you there. Where they write your name for the goat?
Nenu egum katano ya fire. Mbasano, nenu egum katano ya fire. Enu egum izu. Huh?
I go change am for am. I go change am for you.
Nenu egum izu. Katano you know it. Huh? Tivo. Hey!
Chineke.
I'm a thief. No. Okay. Ebelima. Akwiso nda no show.
No. Aburo kwa mo yori o. Mba. Achi lesi me lesi. Eba ogberu. Eba anu akita ogberu.
Eweniwe.
Aka m dị ọcha o. Ọbụrụ m zuru ewu.
Ọbụrụ zuru ewu. Ani chọrọ ige ewu. Ewu ezu n'oshi. Ngwụrọ.
Ha, bo egwu nke amakakwa.
Na.
Hey. Ọ ga-adịkwa m ọtata. Hey.
Tastes good.
Thank you, my prince.
Honestly, this is delicious.
Thank you.
You know something? I think the palace cook will need to come and take some cooking lessons from you.
And I'm willing to teach her if she's willing to learn.
Of course she will. She has to. Do you know something about me? I don't eat outside. Neither have I ever eaten any food that is cooked outside here. It's only the palace cook that makes what I eat.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you for liking my meal.
Honestly, I must give it to you.
Now I'm very sure that I'm capable of taking care of you.
You're a wonderful cook.
Thank you. Are you sure this is necessary? Because the prince is all over me already. Are you sure the charm won't hurt him? Mama, are you sure? Whatever I tell him, want to do, you do it. Interesting. I'll come for the charm. I'm coming, I'll come for the charm, Mama. Thank you. Thank you. Let me go now, the princess. He, whatever I'm going to do, he must do it.
Wait, Onyeka, you dey here dey enjoy. Me and you go thief finish, you leave me. For waiting now? For them to kill me or wait, I don't understand.
Everything say na your spirit run entire. I think they don't fire you since.
You dey clear, thought that fire you there, you dey bad. You think say that whose spirit? Now you go die, go waka. You dey crazy. Me and you go thief finish, you go leave me come here dey enjoy. Now so you be. Wait. You go no, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Now because if I thief finish, I go come share am with you as my partner. But don't worry, I know what to do.
So me and you be partner. You won't make I just go die for you. I know if you die, you on your own, oh. You do your own, oh.
I do on my own,
yes.
Monica, I do on my own, Adi. No worry. I don't see him. You don't clear for me now. Yes, now, bro. You don't clear from my eye. You don't clear. But don't worry now. We shall see. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry. I know we are going.
I don't tell you. You're on your own. You did on your own. I don't tell you. Let me be this one now. Make I follow you, go die for you. I no fit. No fit. You are on your own, no. I don't talk about.
The elders want to see you.
Kamsi, why did you barge in on us like that without being invited? Is that how you do things? Why?
You know you can actually correct me without being harsh.
Please.
Stop being rude. Brother, the elders want to see you.
Well, tell the elders that he is busy and he can't see them right away.
I didn't come for you, Nancy. I came to see my brother. You are beginning to annoy me lately and I don't like it. I don't like it. But the elders want to see you.
You came here, you told me that the elders wants to see me. And she told you that we are busy. What else do you want me to tell you? Go there, tell them that the meeting can be rescheduled for next time. Do you understand?
Now what? Can you go already? Why are you still standing here? Tell them that he is too busy to see them. They can go anywhere for all I care and come back later.
But you know why they want to see you, right? You don't have to do this.
You want me to leave this important meeting for another meeting? Tell them we can have this meeting whenever.
No, hold on. I know how to treat people like you. You want to watch? I know you want to watch, baby girl. Calm down. No, come!
Close the door very well.
Messenger of the elders.
Close the door, I'm busy.
See, I don't like what your sister is doing in this house. I don't.
Why did you calm down?
What do you mean?
I think you have had enough of that boy's affront already. For crying out loud, we are the kingmakers and should not be treated as commoners. If you demand his presence, he must oblige us.
Exactly, we have had enough. He can't keep on treating us as if we don't have a choice.
As a matter of fact, tell the prince, your brother, that he has 90 days to get a wife and sit on the throne, or he will forfeit it.
I'm very sure he's working on that. He's working on getting a wife soonest. Please, just give him a little more time.
I believe we have passed a message from the kingmakers. Onowu here has already given approval to this decision.
Ichi Onochie, I mean, we cannot wait any further. The kingdom already is tearing apart. Too much. So we can't wait anymore. It is 90 days maximum. Ndichie, let's go.
I told you the elders were here to see you. And all you could do was to chase them away. Why?
I didn't chase them away. I told you I was busy.
Busy with who? This thing. Somebody you are not even married to. Somebody you are still trying to get to know. What is beginning to...
Who is this thing?
I'm talking to you. What can you do about it?
Good. Are you mad? No, you're actually coming close to attack my woman in front of me. What disrespect.
You actually wanted to hit me because of this woman. You want to hit me?
Before Uncle, can't he hit you?
Oh, I see. So it has gone to that extent where you disrespect my woman in my presence. You, Kamsi. You. And listen good. I will never tolerate such disrespect from you ever again in this palace. And I am keeping quiet. I'm giving you this last chance because you're my sister. Else, don't try me.
What have you done to my brother? I think it is time to go.
Go where?
Start going.
Going where?
Leave this place now.
For who? I'm actually getting married to your brother. You should leave.
You're beginning to annoy me. I don't want to see you again.
I don't want to see you too. So go to hell.
Come see, leave this place now.
You cannot be saying this. I mean, she's a stranger. You can't.
See,
leave this place.
Come see.
I'm leaving already. I'm leaving.
Just small money where I go take intermoto jaba. No be say I dey ask you for too much. Why you dey do like this now? I beg.
Small money, I don't understand. The one when I give you before, you don't pay. The one when I give you before, you don't pay am.
And now that small money wey you give me, I make you just dey raise voice for me like this. No let me change am for you. I beg you now. If you no wan give me, leave am now. Faustina baby.
She not there house.
She no dey. I beg now, I beg. You know say we dey like sisters, you know, nah, you know. We dey like sisters. I beg. Shebi na you want make I comot. And now I don't make up my mind with my church mind. I want japa. You know what? Come give me money again.
Akana, what are you doing here? So after all I did to you, still get mine coming here. Wait for me, I'm coming. I will teach you a lesson.
I beg now.
Not be used to make I come up for here just now.
I beg no come up for here. Just give me the money, make I just come on. Let me go come out. I beg now.
Hey, not there. I no get.
Which one be saying you know day now? Now because I dey calm down for you. I beg go bring money, come give me. No be they do as soka business. They even do Zobo include them. Even more business. They tell me big girl like you no get money. I beg bring money, make I come up for you.
Hey, that one beats me on top of my own money.
You never even see anything. I go even tear you slap join on top of your money. Give me money, make I come up for you. They say you get money.
How can I see me see wahala? You can't borrow money, you get pride.
Here, na federal government money. Bring am, make I take come up for this place.
I don't get though.
Sorry.
Mimi, don't touch me.
You're my only sister, don't forget that. I'm sorry.
I wanted to eat your sister because of a stranger.
No.
Because of a stranger.
I'm sorry for hitting you, but it's not because of her. I did it because I wanted to prove something to you.
Prove what? Prove what? If not that I touched it, you would have landed that hot slap on my face.
I want to show you something. And there is something you should know. Yes, baby.
Your sister is becoming a huge obstacle for me in this house. And I don't want to see her again.
So what would you have me do? Send her away? Is that what you want? So what do you want?
My prince, I beg you. I want you to kill her. My prince, kill her. You have to kill your sister so we can have peace.
So you think you can walk into this palace with a charm and it will be effective? Is that what you think? So if there were no cameras in my room, you would have converted me into your puppet. I would have been your prey. You would command me to do all sorts of things that will only favor you. You are wicked. You are desperate. You are an animal.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my prince.
You're sorry.
My mother. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It was never my fault. I am sorry. I am so sorry.
To think that I was even going to take you serious. I was even thinking of taking this relationship to the next level. Little did I know that you were a wicked fellow. You want me to kill my own sister. Why?
What? Sorry. Please, my prince, give me another chance. It was all my mother's idea. I am not like that. I've never used charm in my life, I swear.
You think that I was even going to take you serious? I wanted to take this relationship to the next level. I trusted you. Little did I know that you were a demon. You wanted to kill my own sister.
Princess Kamsi, you know me too well. I don't use charms. I've never used charms in my life. My mother.
Do you know that you just ruined your chances of becoming the next queen? All by yourself.
I can still be the queen.
For your information, you need to start living. Leave!
I don't want to see you here next minute.
And this is the end of our friendship as well. No, you don't need to come closer. Just stay there. Just stay there.
You know you're my friend. Kamsi,
I can never be your friend. I can't be your friend.
Please, you can still help me.
I'm not doing anything about it. You ceased to be my friend the very first day you thought of using charms on my brother.
You know I don't use charms. You know me since primary school. Have I ever used charms? It's my mother. Princess. Princess. Hey. My mother. My friend. Yeah.
know what? Let's stop pushing you into making the wrong decision of wife. See, I've given up. I've given up already. No need of pushing you into marriage.
But I still need to get married to secure the throne.
Yes. But at the same time, you need to take it easy. I mean, I will tell the elders they should give you some time. I mean, the throne is your right.
Honestly, the elders have tried. Giving me extra 90 days is something I really appreciate. And I believe they could give me that.
Yes, but I mean, I cannot still support you marrying anything that looks like a wife, or in the name of marriage, or looking for, or securing the throne. I mean, it doesn't make sense. We need to give you some time so you make the best choice. You're welcome.
This is the file I've been looking for. I just saw it.
Oh, Philip, thank you so much. Thank you, Philip. In fact, you're a lifesaver. I've been searching everywhere for this file. I don't even know how I managed to misplace it. Thank you. You know what? I'm going to scan and send it immediately to the head office. Ah, thank you.
Yes, there's no problem. Meanwhile, I'm heading for lunch. Care to join?
I have lots of work piled up, as you can see. I don't even know where to start from, so I'll eat later, please.
Kenuku, if I may ask you, when last did you eat? Yes.
Gosh, do you know I've even eaten today?
See? Exactly what I'm talking about. You work, you don't give yourself time.
I'll eat. Let me just finish up. I'll join you, please. I'm just looking for one other file to...
Kenuku, this is your workaholic life. Give yourself a little space. Anyway, let me go get something.
All right, there. I will join you. Thank you, bro.
You know where to see me.
Ooh.
My prince, it is a pity what you're going through. It's a pity.
You see why I've been skeptical about women. This is why I've been so skeptical about getting married. Do you understand? I want to get married. Right now, I want to get married. It's here. It's here. But the problem is this. Who is fit to be called a wife? Nobody. No one. Where is she? She's nowhere to be found.
See, my prince, there are still a lot of good women out there.
None, Philip. None. Honestly, you have to forgive me for already giving up on women. Forgive me, but there is none. Forgive me for giving up already.
You don't have to give up, my prince. See, I've been telling you about this lady that works with me in my office. Yes. See, she's so dedicated to her job. She's what I refer to as a woman, a complete woman. Honestly, you can't see her discuss anything that is not job related. She's not like other women who goes around talk with whoever they see.
So Philip, if this girl is so nice and good, just like you've described her to be, why are you not going for her? Why are you pushing her to me?
My prince, she's my colleague. See, if not that there is a policy that is against that, I would have gone for her.
Okay, Philip, thank you very much. I am not interested. Thanks, but no thanks.
My prince, I remember you mentioned your kingsmen gave you 90 days.
Yeah, it's not even up to 90 days. Yeah.
I said it. Time is no more in your advantage. You know what I would do? I will have to introduce you to her. Yes. When you meet her, you understand what I'm talking about. You've been missing. Allow me to introduce you to her, and from there we'll see how we go. Philip, my friends, you will like her. She's a perfect woman, a complete woman.
Anyhow you want them, I go give them to you. I make what to the task.
My friend, meet Miss Kenuku as the chairman. Kene, meet my friend. He's the prince and soon to be king of Amity Kingdom.
Nice meeting you, my prince.
Oh, the pleasure is all mine.
So, my friend, Kenuku here have been a good friend and colleague. She's actually loving, dedicated to her work, and one of the most hardworking persons I've ever known. Yes.
Wow, all this accolades for me.
You deserve more than that, because you work hard. You deserve it all.
Kenuku, Philip here has told me a lot about you. A lot of beautiful, sweet things about you, and I'm not disappointed. You know, walking into this office and seeing the elegancy in your appearance, the way you talk, and how dedicated you are to work, I feel, I feel happy, and I'm sure that I am not going to regret meeting you.
Thank you so much, my prince.
Oh, no. Call me Ugonna. I prefer that from you.
Oh, it's okay.
Wow.
Welcome to my little space.
This is not little. This is a beautiful apartment.
Thank you.
Is this your bedroom?
Yeah. Fancy.
Hi, sis. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You look so happy, sis.
Oh, of course.
You look so happy. Just tell me it's a woman behind the smile and not a new business.
So what if it's a new business? Is that not supposed to make me happy?
But I mean, I'm tired of hearing I got this business, I secured this business, and I want to hear another thing. Or is it a woman?
Okay, fine. That thing that is in your mind, that is the exact reason I am happy. Okay, I understand. Okay, so when are you bringing her? Very soon.
Very soon. Hope she's good. Hope you're being careful.
Of course I am careful. Very careful this time around.
Okay. Nice one.
See, to carry you go meet the king, no go give us the justice we want. Even the police sef, they don't give us the benefit we want. Now to just buy you here, now it be the last option here. I be the film now.
Sure now.
No, please, don't kill me. I'm begging you. I think still they useful to Onana, bros. I beg na, reason na.
How?
I beg.
How useful? How you go take day useful? Not be only thief, you dey thief for this kingdom. Eh? Anywhere where you pass, things go just lost. Eh?
Wetin I dey talk now, you know say as e be now, I know all the hideouts where thief dem dey. So me now, I go fit dey fish them out, dey give for as the youth of this community. Abeg na bros, una reason am, una no kill me now. But something I go dey useful. You don't see am, reason am, abeg.
You wan whine us now? No, you think say you dey whine us now? All these things wey you dey do now, crocodile tears, you just want more, just leave you now. See, even if we go leave you, the only thing we go do now na to promise us say nothing go lost for this village again. If anything lost, we go find you, we go catch you, and we must kill you. You agree?
Yes, I agree. I will not steal again. No more stealing.
Hey, it's okay. You say you don't whine us, so no even try to do any this. If we catch you, we will kill you. If anything lost,
I will not steal again. No more stealing.
Let me tell you. The words of the youth, they are law and you must obey it. You said you'll be useful to us, ba?
Yes, I go there useful.
The only way you can be useful to us is by taking you to the security chairman so that you will join them. By that, you can be useful to us.
No, be that. No be that kind useful now. No be that kind useful now. They talk, make I use my hand, they catch criminals, they can't give one now.
Now you be that criminal, you know your members. So when you join them, you can now be able to get your members.
Yes. Supported. Yes, supported.
I beg, no be that kind.
Come on, keep quiet. Supported. That's what we do. Yes. Thank you. God bless.
So tell me, when are you coming to the palace to visit me?
Palace? Well, that will be when you decide to. But then I will have to check my schedule.
Workaholic.
Well, I'm proud to be a workaholic.
You know, okay, sorry, I'm going to say this. You know, that's actually one of the most beautiful things that I love about you. You are so focused. Makes me so happy.
Well, I couldn't agree with Raymond on that.
Who is Raymond?
My ex.
Which kind of wahala be this? Which kind thing be this now? This man go look me like this, tell me say, make I go dey do vigilante for them. Why now? No be say they give me gun, not even knife. Okay, how I want to catch criminal? How I want to catch thief? Nah, be like say, they say Kenen a joke. See me now, I don't tire. No water, no food. I'm my own bad pass. I could find way come out for this village. As I don't see any miss now, if I don't see any miss at all, I could come out for this village. Then my who they do this one, look me like this, tell me say, make I cut the no gun no. Now who they do this one? I'm too waiting now. Nah man. See I can not be nickname. Make them not do me like this now. As if I'm the only thing. I'm going to do this thing.
I'm beginning to wonder why you've not really asked me about him. Unlike most men.
Okay. One thing you should understand is that I'm not like any other man out there. I have my own view of life. You know, I have this belief that every woman is single, and any man can come to the woman who is single until the lady or the woman decides to marry the man she has chosen for herself. That's my philosophy.
I shouldn't expect less.
It's not about being reality. Do you understand? It's my own personal belief. Or haven't you seen princes and princesses who are stubborn?
I haven't. Though I've heard that there are some princes that are stubborn. But believe me, I haven't seen.
Oh, really? I see. Fine, okay, fine. Enough of all these side talks and gossip. Why don't you go in there and change into something better? I'll have to take you out.
Sure, my boss. Okay, hold on, let me quickly change into something better and follow you.
She'll be coming tomorrow.
Really?
Yes.
That's nice. So,
Okay, fine. Here's what we're going to do. I want you to inform the palace cook. Tell her she has to be her best. Because I want to give my woman the best treat of her life.
somebody is really taking this thing serious. Okay.
Okay, fine. Number 2. I want to personally introduce her to you. To everyone in the palace and the staff. And I want to introduce her to the elders. No, I think I'll have to talk to the elders. I have to tell them that I found a wife, so they can start planning my wedding and also the coronation. It's that easy. I found a wife.
And finally,
I won.
yes, you won. Actually, you won.
Really?
Yes.
Oh God, thank you.
Yes, I really want to see her. I know what she looks like.
Of course you will.
Yes, I will.
Philip, honestly, I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. You are a lifesaver.
I honestly don't understand. How do you mean?
I mean, why did it take you so long to introduce me to this beautiful girl? This girl with a good heart. Why?
Oh, you're talking about Kenuku?
Yes.
It's nothing.
Yes.
Alright, it's nothing.
She is a beautiful soul. And you know what, Philip? Is it right now? I've taken my decision. I don't want anyone coming close to her anymore because I am getting married to her immediately.
Wow. I know anyone who comes around Kenuku loves her. She's a lovable soul. And now you're putting a ring on that finger.
No, listen. No one should come around her anymore.
Just come
because
down.
I am there.
I go. Where am I? Take it easy. Yeah. Your body's you're so excited now. You're so happy. Yeah. When I was telling you about this girl, what did you say? You said all women are the same. And here you are now, happy.
Do you know why I'm so grateful to you? Do you know why I'm so excited?
What is it again?
Because this is the first thing you've ever done for me ever since our childhood.
Yeah, okay. If not, you are the prince. How can you say that? I always put you first.
Thank you.
Congratulations. I'm so happy for you, bro.
Thank you.
I am so happy for you.
Welcome. Welcome. Please make yourself comfortable.
Wow. Your home is beautiful.
Thank you. But I assure you, this is going to be our home soon.
Really?
It's a promise.
Can't wait.
Okay, please make yourself comfortable. Yeah, my sister has been longing to meet you. I told her a lot about you. She's small, but not that small. But she's very, very smart. Okay? So I'll have to call her now.
I'm really shy, you know.
No, don't be shy. I've told her a lot about you already. Okay? Come see. Come see. Come see. All right, come see. This is Kenuku. This is
Thief.
Eh?
So it's you. You are here again. What is it? What do you want? You are a thief.
Come see.
Excuse me. Excuse you what? Come see.
What is this? What are you doing?
What is
this?
She's the one.
That did what?
She's the one that attacked me that day. Ow, what this?
Come see, please. Please, can you calm down? I'll do this, okay? Please. Come see. What is this? Why are you embarrassing me in the presence of my people?
But she is a thief.
How?
I just told you she's the one that attacked me that day.
How?
Where's the gun?
Huh? Can I? What's going on here? Please, it's okay.
Don't pretend. Just leave this palace now.
Come see, I want to talk to you. Now.
Where's my bag?
Come see, can I talk to you? Now, let's go, please. This way. What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
She's the one. She's the one. She's the criminal that day. The one that attacked me and made away with my valuables. She's the one.
Listen to me, Kamsi. I don't know who you saw. I don't know what you're trying to insinuate. But let me tell you about Kenuku. Kenuku is a rich working class lady. And I am sure that you must have mistaken her for somebody.
Can you just listen to me? Can you listen to me for once? Listen, I know her very well.
Okay.
I mean, I can recognize her when I see her. She is the one that stole from me that day.
Now you listen to me. Come see. Let today be the very first and last thing you will ever talk in that manner about my woman. I would not want to have you insult her ever again.
But I will not intentionally speak ill about your woman. Trust me, she's the one. I know what I'm talking about. I mean, can you just believe me for once? She's the one. It's just so hard. What kind of a brother is this? What kind of a brother is this? You can never believe me for once. Not even for once. Am I that bad?
Baby, honestly, I'm so sorry about what happened, okay? I am deeply sorry. It's not my making.
What happened? What happened to her? Is everything okay?
Well, that I can't tell for now, but from the way she's talking, I think she's mistaking you for someone else. But it's settled now, she's cool. Okay, she's calm.
For a moment, I was scared of my life. I mean, the whole thing wasn't funny at all.
Listen, I understand, and I'm so sorry. Okay? Relax. So, where did we stop? Okay, what can I offer you?
Nothing, I'm okay. I'm fine. I think it's best you get me out of here.
No. That's not gonna happen. You know I've not shown you around. I've I've not shown you upstairs, a lot of things, that you need to see.
Yes, but we can do that some other time.
No, I insist.
I insist.
I insist. You're my guest. Do you understand? Let's go. You can pick up your stuff. Okay, it's okay. I'll just help you pick them up. Okay. So, let me show you around. Okay. But cheer up, it's fine. Okay? What are you doing?
Apologies, my friend.
I said, what are you doing?
Apologies, my friend.
I don't understand it. Why am I getting a friendly vibe around here?
No, it's okay. There's no friendly vibes here. I think that's just I'll have to find out what's going on.
You can't believe me, you can't listen to me. Here she just go out.
Your Highness, she's saying the truth, oh. It's true. That same lady was the same lady that attacked us the other day. They were two, they were carrying guns.
Get out of my sight.
Listen to him first.
I said get out of my sight.
Yes, sir.
I don't like this to you. I don't like it. Why can't you just give me listening ears? Okay, fine. I know what she said hurt you, and you are really disappointed in her.
I am disappointed in you, Kamsi. I am very, very much disappointed.
How?
For hurting me, for spoiling my date, and for making me look stupid in the presence of my visitor. Kamsi, what is it?
Actually, you are the one that made yourself look stupid because I know what I'm saying. You don't just want to listen to me.
Kamsi, I don't know what is wrong with you. I don't know.
And I don't know why I am always your problem. Why am I always your problem?
Thank you for spoiling my date. Thank you for hurting me. Thank you for making me
I didn't hurt you. I was just trying to...
Thank you for making me look stupid in the presence of my visitor. Thank you.
I still don't get why I am always a problem.
Thank you.
And I don't know why you can't even listen to me. For crying out loud, I am your sister.
Thank you.
You should listen to me.
Thank you. Kenuku, honestly, I am so sorry about the awful treatment you received in the palace. It's still the same issue of them knowing someone that have your exact look. Honestly, I don't understand.
Someone that looks like me?
Yes.
But I don't have a twin. I don't even have a sibling. As a matter of fact, I am the only child of my parents, and they're still alive.
That's what I've been trying to explain to them. I've explained this over and over, especially my sister. I've been trying to explain this to her, but it's okay. I'm sure right now they've been able to understand this thing from my own point of view. It's not you. Anybody can look like anyone. Okay, I'm very sorry. Please.
It's okay. After all, it's not your fault. And I'm glad you've explained things to them.
Okay, for me to know that you've forgiven me, can you come over to the palace this weekend?
No way.
No, please. I just want you to go. I've missed you. I've really, really missed you. I want you to come, please. Don't say no.
Because you have to do more than begging. Yeah.
More than begging. Would you want me to jump over to that place to beg you, please?
Anything, just do it. Just want baby girl treatment, outing, shopping, costume, everything. I want it.
So you get me fried juice, add some ice cube. Yes. I want it now.
Greetings, my prince.
Jacob.
My princess.
Come. This is really confusing. Is that not the lady that attacked us that day?
Yes, ma'am. That's my princess. She's the one. We can ask Obio also. He was with us that day. Obio also.
Meeting my princess.
Is that not the lady that attacked us that day?
My princess, you have to believe me. She's the one. She's the one that attacked us. I wonder what the prince is doing with an armed robber.
My princess, do you believe me now?
What are you doing?
I'm actually washing the dishes. I'm preparing to cook.
Who sent you? Don't we have a palace cook?
I took permission from the prince and the cook.
The palace cook let you into his kitchen. For your sake, she's fired. And as for you, I want you to leave this palace now. I want you to leave now. Let a stranger into your kitchen. Why?
You are getting on my nerves and I don't like it.
The palace cook is fired for letting a total stranger into the kitchen. I mean, you don't even know who she is. You don't know what she's up to. You let her into the kitchen just like that. Why?
Kamsi, are you mad?
I'm not mad.
You tell me, are you stupid?
This person is a criminal. She can do everything possible to hurt us and make away with our valuables. I know her better.
Since when did you start altering my orders? I gave someone permission to go to the kitchen and make whatever thing she wants, and you asked her out of the same kitchen in this palace? Kamsi, I won't take this insult from you. I will never take this insult from you. Where's Kenuku now?
I asked her to go.
Tobias?
And never to return.
Kamsi, are you stupid? Is something wrong with you?
You don't know her. I can tell you who she is and what she wants. I know her better. I don't know know why you are feeling too stubborn.
I was told what happened.
You told me you've spoken with her. No, baby, you told me you've explained things to her, that everything is fine now. Why is she still behaving strange and annoying towards me?
I'm so sorry about what happened. But I assure you that she has been cautioned and it will never repeat itself again.
She ruined my siesta.
Yes, I know. You can go back to sleep if you want. But at the same time, I am very, very sorry. Give me your hand. Eyes on me. Look at me. I assure you that you are safe with me. Very safe.
Are you sure?
Shh. I am.
What's that for?
Excuse me. You can have the excuse. You don't touch anything that does not belong to you in this palace. As long as I am concerned, don't do it.
Listen, I don't know what is going on with you, but what I will not tolerate is you insulting me. Don't you dare.
If I insult you, what will you do? You bring out your gun, point it at me, or shoot me. Please. That's the only thing you can do. You think I don't know you? Listen, you know, you and I know that I know you better. So you don't even have to pretend. This is my home. This is my house. So I can do whatever I want to do and you will not do anything. You see that your plan? You will not achieve it. I will make sure of that.
The only reason I'm leaving you is because you're the princess of this land. If not, I would have slapped some respect into you. Are you normal? What is wrong with you? I don't know you. We haven't met before. Is it too difficult for you to understand?
Hold on. We haven't met before. Did you just say that? No. Are you just trying to play with my intelligence or what? Like, do you take me for a fool? I don't understand. We haven't met before. That means I am hallucinating or something. You must be a fool. In fact, you are a fool. You are an idiot. You don't have sense. Listen, let me tell you something, madam. You see your mission in this house, it will never happen. You can blind my brother for all you want. But you see, you can't ruin him for me. He's my only brother. Else, I will jail you. You know I can do it. You know I have the authority, the power to do that. So mind yourself. Be careful with me in this palace. Be careful with me. Let me not warn you again. Criminal.
What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Is everything alright?
I should be asking you that. Is everything alright? What are you up to?
I don't understand.
You will not understand. I heard my brother's drawer opening and closing. So what are you up to? Well, I guess I should go and tell him to remove all the valuable documents here, so that we'll not start looking for any of them.
Jesus Christ, you're unbelievable. Are you being serious now?
Yes, I'm serious.
So because you heard your brother's drawer opening and closing, that's why you interrupted my siesta?
Siesta? I can see. Think I don't know you. Are you not a thief? Are you not a thief? Maybe you heard my footsteps, that's why you went and pretended to be sleeping. So no need for the pretense.
Are you mad?
It's not, but mind the way you talk to me, mind the way you insult me. I'm still the princess, okay? Mind the way you insult me.
So because you're the princess, you should just barge in on me and just... I don't understand.
That is my lifestyle. You can't change it. Can you? Please be careful. Don't take anything here. Don't take it. I'm warning you. Don't take anything from this room.
My dear, please, can you rush to the market and buy me goat meat?
I'm sorry, I can't do. The princess gave strict order that we shouldn't do anything for you.
But why?
Ma, she said you're a stranger and shouldn't be given any royal benefits.
It's okay. Thank you.
Who amongst you gave the orders for the bag of my fiancée, my wife-to-be, should be searched at the gate before she leaves this palace?
My prince, is him, oh. Is him.
Shut up! Fools. Stupid fools. Raise those hands up before I cut them into pieces. And you. She asked you to get something for her out there and you blatantly said no. You opened your mouth to say no to my wife-to-be.
We are sorry, my prince.
You're stupid. Sorry for yourself. You, I saw how you're looking at her. I saw the eyes full of anger and rage.
We are sorry, my prince.
Shut up! You all are going to remain like this till the end of tomorrow. You know what? You all are going to go out there and kneel under the sun until I decide what to do with all of you. At the count of 3, leave this place now. 1, 2, What kind of insult is this? Prince, what is this?
Kamsi, if not for the love and respect I have for our parents. If not for the love and respect I have for our parents.
Please, my prince.
Kamsi.
So you wanted to hit me because of this thief?
Huh?
This thief!
Wait, you are still calling her names in my presence, Kamsi. Kamsi, you still have the guts to call her names in my presence.
I'm trying to protect us.
Us?
I am trying to fight for us. Why are you always supporting strangers? I'm doing this thing for us.
For us?
There's no problem. There's no problem.
Are you listening to what Kamsi is saying with her mouth? No, Kamsi, it's okay. No problem.
Please calm down.
No problem.
Listen, if my presence in this palace is going to bring disunity between your sister and you, I suggest I leave. I don't want trouble.
No, Kenuku, listen. She's my sister. We will sort it out. The only problem that I am sure of right now is that she is mistaking you for somebody else. And I have to prove to her that you are not what she thinks you are. That's it.
That's okay. Listen, I am willing to be patient with her. But please, I don't want you to ever lay your hands on her. It's not right.
Who be this bagger now? Who be this fool? Who you be? You know who they follow they talk to like that? No, you know who they talk to like that? You they mad, I be one make I tear you feel. She's they follow you, they play here. Now somebody give me that phone. Let's say this is the joke, Abi. You think that the joke. They crazy, you don't know me, Abi. Eh? Let's say I joke, I go watch you like the mad. What's it worry you? Okay, if they play with you, Abi. Eh? Come on, give me that phone, officer. Give me that phone. Guy, calm down. I think you give me that phone. You still laugh at my face. Hope I draw more mouth. Give me that phone, officer. Guy, calm down now. You never reach like this. See, I go do you something. I just give me that phone, officer. Back, come on here. Give me that phone. See me like best way they joke. Give me this thing. As I just feel like this, now they move. Fuck, do you something no good? Hi. What did just happen now? Wait, oh. Now let this guy just run straight now. From what I just achieved, now this guy can't collect from me. Me, Ekene. Where they wear people 50.
Anyhow you want them.
I'm talking to you. So you think you've succeeded in turning my brother against me? You think you've won?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. You don't know what I'm talking about.
You see here, Kamsi, if truly I'm a thief, just like the way you always accuse me, why haven't I stolen especially from you?
That is because you are waiting for that perfect time. That's a walk. Thieves, they always calm down, observe area first, observe everywhere before they will strike. They will draw their map, make sure everywhere is clear. That's what you're waiting for, that perfect time. That is what you're waiting for. And I will not let it happen. You see, you will leave this palace. I don't know why my brother is just so blinded in love. He's just so in love and stupid to know who you are.
Kamsi, I don't know what it is that is biting you. But what I will not take from you is you disturbing my peace in this palace. What is wrong with you? Allow me focus on the man that brought me here now. Is it too much to ask?
Yes, it is. It is. Leave us alone. There is no peace for the wicked. Leave us alone. You are evil. Listen, my duty is to protect my brother, whether he appreciates it or not. And that I would always do. You see, in this palace, your days are numbered. Bet it. My duty is to protect my brother, whether he appreciates it or not. And after that, you must leave this palace.
King! Hey!
She say Ekene na joke. Abi? She say Ekene na joke, Abi? Confirmed. Now be like say this time don't dey hot though. It don't dey hot. I gas level up. Yeah.
Smells nice.
Well, wait till you have a taste of it, then you can know the good cook that I am.
Stop! Don't poison him, right?
Pop.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Are you insane?
You poisoned that food.
What is the meaning of this?
Kamsi, what is wrong with you?
Let her taste it first.
Kamsi, what is this?
No. Let her taste it. Have a taste of it.
Kamsi, stop embarrassing me. What is this?
Allow me to have a taste of it so your sister will know that I'm not a murderer.
No. I know you didn't poison the food.
How sure are you? How sure are you?
Even if she poisoned it, are you the one to eat it?
Really?
What's your problem?
Are you okay? Taste it. If you're so certain you didn't poison it, then taste it.
Kamsi, before you open my eyes, I want you to disappear from here.
No.
Kamsi, leave this place.
I can't afford to lose you. You want to poison my brother? Don't worry.
Baby, listen, I'm so sorry. Listen, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. What are you trying to do? Stone your sister? That's not fair.
She embarrassed you. It's okay, just relax, eh? As soon as I get back, I'll take you out. I promise. Okay?
I can't wait. Besides, babe, I'll be going back this weekend.
Why?
Because my holiday is over.
Okay, it's okay, I understand. But also, I want to remind you that as soon as you become the queen, you would not have to work anymore. The only duty that should be on your head is how to take care of me and the palace.
What then happens to my career?
Just relax, okay? I will arrange something. I will arrange something out there while you stay here, control it and still take care of the palace. Okay?
Till then.
You're beautiful. You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, babe. I suggest you should go now. Let me finish up with what I'm cooking. See you.
am safe from whatever may betide me in the hollow of his hand. Repent, for the kingdom of God is at hand. Matthew chapter 6 verse 33, it says, seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and other things shall be added unto you. Wherever you are right now, hearing my voice, God is calling you. It's time for you to give your life to Christ. God is knocking at your door. Open. He will come in and die with you. He will eat with you. He will give you life. He will give you life. He will give you life and give it to you abundantly. Repent, for the kingdom of God is at hand. Repent, for the kingdom of God is at hand. Brother, wherever you are, listen to me. The hour is now. Repent and give your life to Christ. Matthew chapter 6 verse 33, it says, seek ye first in the kingdom of God and its righteousness, and other things shall be added unto you. Repent wherever you are. You are hearing my voice now. This is the hour for you to give your life to Christ. Give your life to Christ wherever you are. This is the time. God is knocking at your door. If you open, He will enter and die with you. He will give you peace. He will give you peace wherever you are. Listen to my voice this hour. This period is the time. Tomorrow may be too late. Give your life to Christ wherever you are. And wherever you are, give your life to Christ. In the hollow of his hand, in the hollow of his hand, in the hollow of his hand.
Onyeka.
Sister Kene. In the hollow.
Hollow wetin? Now you be this. Onyeka, I say you don't pay me now. I say you don't die. Wetin dey happen? Now your spirit that they see.
I was almost killed. But God rescued me and gave me a second chance to go to the world and save soul for him.
Solomon Garden. Reassurance. I beg you, no, you know say na small thing dey vex me. You know now, you know say na just small thing na dey vex me. Which kind prank be this one for this hot afternoon? You know, see another day prank me. Solo. See, I know they like this way they talk. Oh.
I'm not joking. You should give your life to Christ and you'll be saved.
Onyeka, you know as I dey behave when I dey angry. No they play with me, oh. Guy, no they joke with me, I beg. Man, nobody they play with me. Not even prank me.
It's not a prank. Ekene, those things are before. Now, I'm born again. I'm a new creature. All things has passed away.
Okay, shut up your mouth with you they talk. You feel read that what you carry for hand. You just super mad they talk. I don't tell me you know they put mad they talk anyhow. See, guy, I know say you know get shit. Now why you they form this way they form? I don't even know who borrow you should join. See, you get one deal why I discover. And forget it, my brother, I got you covered. Come on, we'll go run the deal together. They are the same. They holy waiting. I don't understand.
Okay, I'm not joking. Give your life to Christ. Live your own life come close to God. God will give you life and give it to you abundantly.
Now see this guy, you are not understand. You see why they tell you say make you know they overdose yourself with Igbo. This is handwork of Igbo Onyeka. And now because you no get shishi, I don't they tell you say I get D now, I no go collect. I go find another person run am o.
Ekene, finally, give your life to Christ and you have peace. That's all I have to tell you. In the holo office, in the holo office.
What is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what? This is revenge time.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about how you treated me the day you stole from me. You're going to get it hot now.
Are you insane? What is wrong with you? I have told you I'm not the person you mistake me for, yet you won't hear.
Do your job.
Comes. Where is where's my mom?
She left.
How do you mean she left?
How do I mean she left? She left.
She left to where?
I don't know. I'm not supposed to know where she went to.
Come see. What did you do?
What did I do? No, seriously, what did I do? What did I do to her? Do I have any business with her? Please, 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 I don't want to get angry already.
Council, why is her phone not connecting?
Did she also tell you I took her phone?
I left someone with you in this house. Only for me to come back and you are telling me she left.
You didn't leave her with me. She's matured enough to take care of herself. So how will you say you left her with me?
I know you very well, Kamsi. I know what you can do. I know you. You know I know you. And if I find out that you have a hand in whatever has made Kenuku to leave this house and put off her phone, you will have me to contend with 100%. I'm talking to you, Kamsi. What kind of trouble is this? Kamsi. Philip, she's gone.
How do you mean gone? Gone to where?
Philip, calm down. Okay, fine. You know I've been telling you that my sister has been accusing Kenuku of stealing. I told you that. I got back this afternoon and she told me she's gone. I don't know. I've looked for her everywhere.
Have you tried calling her? Did you call her?
I've tried calling her. She's not picking up. So at some point, it stopped connecting.
So what could make her live in that manner?
Honestly, I don't know. I've told you how stupid my sister is. She has been acting so stupidly with some kind of weird thoughts. She actually made that house a living hell for her hand. I don't know.
It's okay.
I've tried to look for her. Okay, fine. Now she's out there. Now where do I look for her? Who do I know? Who do I ask?
Calm down. You've come to me. I will try reaching her myself. Okay? I have other places I can look out for her.
Thank you, Philip.
Just calm down first.
Philip, I need your help instantly.
But why would she live that way? I told you, you know this girl she's harmless. She's a reserved girl. She doesn't deserve such treatment. I told you this beforehand.
I know. Please, I don't know what else to do. You're the only one that can help me now, please.
I'll see what I can do.
Okay.
I'll see what I can do.
Thank you, Philip. Please.
Oh, where can she be? Anyway, I will call you. Just stay safe. If I reach her, I will let you know.
Philip, thank you.
It's fine.
Right now, you're the only one I trust. Please. I need that girl. Please.
Talk to your sister. Talk to her. Treating her bad is wrong. My prince, I have looked for her everywhere I can. I'm just coming from her house. And she's nowhere to be found. It seems like she just vanished into thin air.
I promised that everything was under control. And she trusted me. I never knew my sister was going to this extent of pushing her away in my absence. It hurts.
Surprises me as well. I never knew it was going to get to this point. But since it's this way, what do you plan on doing about it?
I'm counting on you, bro. Honestly, I've not had a good sleep for nights right now. I don't know what to do. Her departure hurts me so much.
I don't like it either. But anyways, I think what I will do for you now is I will keep in touch. All right? If I hear anything, I will let you know. I will be traveling to Dubai this weekend for a business summit. So, in my absence, please, my prince, please be on the lookout as well. If I hear anything before you, I will put a call across to you. Calm down. We'll find her. She's not dead.
Okay.
Calm down.
You have been avoiding me. I know I hurt you deeply, but I'm just trying to protect you.
You're trying to protect me?
Yes, please.
Come see, you're trying to protect me. Well, thank you very much. You ended up hurting me.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All I want is your happiness, not anything that will make you feel bad. I didn't mean to make you feel bad. I didn't mean to hurt you. Honestly, I'm just trying to protect you.
You're sorry. You are sorry.
Yes, please.
I see. Good. Now I need you to give me this explanation. What do I tell the elders that are supposed to come here today to meet the woman I've told them I want to marry? How do I explain to these same elders that my sister chased her away? How do I explain to them that I cannot get married anymore? What about the coronation? What do I do?
I'm sorry.
You ruined everything.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? What would your sorry do? How is your sorry going to revive this situation? You keep telling me you're sorry. How would your sorry solve this problem now? Tell me how.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Honestly, I am so sorry. I am so sorry for everything that has happened. I honestly, it was my fault. I wasn't there to protect you. I am so sorry. Okay, I've tried to call you. I've been trying to call you and I can't even reach you. Please, forgive me. I'm so sorry. I know you're very angry at me. I know you're mad at me, but please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Please. Do you understand? Eh? Okay, fine. Don't say anything. Don't just say anything. Listen. I'll make it up to you. I know I've wronged you, and I did things. I wasn't there to protect you. I was supposed to there to fight for you, to protect you, but you know, I just stepped out and this whole thing happened. It's not your fault, and it's my fault. I take all the blame. I'll buy you a car. I promise I'll buy you a car. I'll build a good house for you. I'll marry you. We're going to spend the rest of our lives together as husband and wife. We're going to have a family. We'll have kids to be fine. Please, whatever thing it is you want that I can afford, I will afford it. Please, I'll take you on vacation to anywhere in the world. Just say it. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. My sister was so stupid. She messed up, but I take all the blame. I am so sorry, okay? Please, let's go home. Please, let's go. Eh? Let's go, okay? So what's this on your nose? It's okay. Just in a few days you've changed. Thank you. I truly appreciate it. Thank you.
Guys, please fine. This place fine.
Yes, of course, it's the palace. But I want you to understand that this whole place with this beauty is meaningless without you. Honestly, I've missed you so much. Kenuku, I've missed you. I have truly missed you.
I miss you too.
Really? Thank you. I'm happy. What's that?
God, H.
H, what's the H? You mean you're hungry? You're hungry? Say no more, okay? Just sit, relax. Want something to drink? Okay. Who is there?
Which kind? Which kind paralyzed be this, man? No people game on you. Kai! Says this place cool. Should be this one.
I would not touch what is not mine.
You?
Yes, me. Why did you return? I knew it. I knew your pretense was not going to last where you were not allowed to exhibit your stealing habit.
They follow me though?
Yes. What will you do? Can you do anything? Where are your guns? You can't talk again.
See, I don't get time to follow you talk, I beg. Maybe waiting I come here, I come do.
Why did you return? I thought you ran away. You left because we didn't allow you exhibit your stealing habits. You left. Now you are back.
This one they talk.
What is the next plan? What is your next plan?
I no get time. I no get time for your wahala at all. I no get your time. At the age, make I first chop.
Even though you have succeeded in blinding my brother, you see me? I will recognize you anywhere I see you. And for that, you see this palace? I am not going to let you achieve any of your plans. I am going to make this palace a living hell for you. Trust me. Criminal. Condemned thief. That is who you are.
Joey. Kenny, this girl recognize you. This girl go spoil show for you. How you want to take play am now? I go fame am. Who she be now? She no know me. I go fame am. She no know me. I don't see am before. I know who she be. I go deny her. Which kind para be that one now? She won't come spoil my own. For this place where chill like this why I come. She dey crazy. She don't know who I be. You just blind yourself. Go straight. Be pepper soup where I dey. Hi. More people game on you.
You're really enjoying yourself.
Boss, I beg, no food there, pot. I still get space for my belly. Beg.
Well, okay, I will instruct the palace cook to get you more food.
Thank you. And bros, this time tough where?
Tough?
I never chopped since days now. Like, that's why I just the hitch, the walk up and down. Thank you, I beg.
I'm surprised. You're saying it's tough coming from a rich, working class lady like you.
I mean, it's just stressful.
Oh, stressful. Oh, I understand. I understand where you're coming from right now, you know. I know it's very stressful for you mentally, considering what you have been through out there. You know, maybe you're too busy, you even forgot to take care of yourself, and even your clothing, the way you're dressed. Well, of course, I understand. You know, considering where you're coming from, I know the stress. Yeah, you must have gone through work and every other thing. And I'm sure maybe you're too stressed at work that you forgot to take care of yourself, including the way you dress. But it looks good on you in a way. I just tell the palace cook to get you more food. Okay?
Biko, very important.
Baby, listen, I understand the emotional pain and trauma you've been through after you left. I understand what is going on in your head. I just want you to be strong. I just want you to be better.
It's happened.
Listen, what I'm saying is this. I feel this is not you. I feel you're trapped in someone else's body. I feel you're trying so hard to become who you are not. Do you understand?
I beg. I will change.
No, listen. That's not what I'm saying. I want you to take your time to heal. I want you to find a way to kill this thing around you that makes you feel like a man. This boyish character and all that rugged attitude. Just want you to kill it. Listen, let me be very honest to you, my sister. She's no longer interested in pushing you away or fighting you. I've settled all that. And it's all in the past. So I need you to come back to yourself. Just take your time, calm down and heal. Okay?
Obviously.
No, I am not upset. I am not. Now I just want you to smile for me. Come on, don't be that strong and rigid. Are you that strong and rigid? Just give me that smile. What kind of smile is this? Give me that smile. I've not done it before. What are you doing?
God, wetin dey happen? You sure say this brother no mistake me for someone else? He dey very obvious o. God, omo, he's rich and handsome, a prince for that matter. Ekene, you no fit steal from this one. I no fit. I need to own this one. I know say her sister recognize me, but e be like say dem no dey for good times, which means he no go believe whatever I tell am. Guy, Ekene, you are free. You're free to conquer and rule your world. Girl, this one really call for celebration. Na God run am for you.
That's new.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You know, this is actually the first time I am seeing you drink alcohol. You keep bringing up new things to the table.
What shall we say? You mean say I know they drink alcohol?
No, I'm saying that you didn't strike me as someone who takes alcohol. I don't believe it.
Brose, leave waiting there right for motor enter motor.
I could agree more with that when it comes to you.
Brose, you get problem with alcohol. I mean, you and alcohol the quarrel.
No. That's not what I mean. You know, alcohol is good. I think a little sip, it helps the body. It's good for the system. But I'm still surprised, you know. I have a meeting to attend. I'll have to leave immediately. Just take care of yourself. And don't take too much of that. Okay? At the same time, before I leave, I've been meaning to say this to you. There's a big change in the way you talk. The pidgin English, the way you behave. Listen, Kenechukwu, I don't know what happened to you out there, but I take full responsibility.
But Brose, na pidgin English big problem. I feel still speak good English, you know.
No, it's okay. I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself.
This one now foreign. Original. Kene.
Yes, this is you. This is you. No need for all those pretense. This is real you. So why were you pretending all this while? Why? This is the criminal I caught that day. You stole my bag. Yes.
Something they walk you, they mad. They crazy. I be one make I crush you. You don't get respect. I be one make I wear you 500. What's the worry you? Why you go off my music? I ask you.
You see you. Where's my bag? Where is my bag? You're just a coward. You can't do anything, you know, right? You can't do anything because this is my house. Am I lying?
Mommy, they talk to like that.
What do you want to do about it?
You like say you know where Ekene Abi. You think say Ekene na joke to you? You think say Ekene na nickname?
Are you threatening me in my house?
I know they threaten you. I go tell you what I go do you. I go slap you. You don't get respect. They don't try you with small rats.
I'm coming back for you. By the time I get back here, if you don't present my bag to me, it's not going to be easy for you. Where's my handbag?
They talk. These guys they talk. Let's say one make I show you what Ekene go do.
I'm coming back for you. This is not going to end now. I'm coming back for you.
Stay away from me, oh. Stay away from me, oh. Now make this girl no come be obstacle for me for here why I can't enjoy. Nah, man. Nah, sure.
Philip, how are you? I hope you're good. Okay, I've been trying to reach you all this while. I've been trying to talk to you, but your phone has not been available. I don't know. It's been telling me out of coverage area, but I just want to give you good news. Somehow I was able to find Kenuku. But the thing is, she has been behaving weird. I don't know. A lot of things have changed about her, but still, I want to marry her. I love her like that. I don't care whether she behaves strange or not. I want to spend the rest of my life with her. So that's why I am letting you know in case. Please, as soon as you get this message, please just let me know, okay? I miss you, bro. Waiting to hear from you. Alright, thank you.
Nancy! Give me that.
I asked again, where do you think you're going with the car?
Now, which kind change be this now? Eh? Which kind school rat be this? Give me that key, they ask me where they
Why should I give you the key?
Which kind of question be that now? Something they walk.
Listen, I'm not trying to monitor your movement or whatsoever. You can go anywhere you want to go, but not with any of our cars, okay?
If I give you, give me that key. You want to walk out of
the hell out of here.
Give me that key. They talk. They walk out. They pack the place.
I'm ready, man. Let's go.
Lorenz, are you mad? Do you own any car here? Are you sick up there? Don't you ever say such thing again. Fool.
Hey, you miss.
Don't dare it, or there will be consequences.
No, sorry, first of all. What do you think you can possibly do to me? You did Lila. What can you do? What can you do to me?
Give me that key.
Don't try anything. Don't even try any funny thing here. Fool. I don't know the plan.
What happened to you? Why are you crying? Talk to me. Why are you crying? What happened to you?
Not your sister tear me slap.
My sister slapped you. How? Let me see. Oh my God. Kamsi! 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 Kamsi.
Welcome.
Don't welcome me. Kamsi, what is this?
What is what?
You're asking me. What right do you have to hit my woman again?
I don't understand.
What is this?
What is what?
You're still lying, Kamsi. What is this?
What did I do? Why did you slap me?
Eh? I will slap you again if you don't tell me why you hit my woman. And stop lying to me.
She told you I slapped her and you believe. You didn't bother to ask me.
Really? I didn't bother to ask you. What is this scar on her face? Are this the scar of a goat? Eh? I'm talking to you. What is this? No, tell me.
Be careful with me. Respect yourself. Don't disrespect me because I'm respecting you, please.
Eh?
Don't disrespect me because I respect you. Be careful with me.
Kamsi. No. You have to come back here and tell me why you slapped my woman. Kamsi.
Ekene, you too smart. You too smart. Hey, why that market rat could just look me like this, won't overshadow me for waiting now? Me, let's say Ekene na joke to na happy. Ekene na joke. Let's Ekene be like nickname to them. You don't know me. You dey crazy, abi. You don't clear, Abi, and he clear well. tell you say make you no pull body. Say if you pull body, you go collect. Now you don't go pull body, you dey cry. Shebi I tell you.
I've actually seen that you were sent to destroy my home. But trust me when I say, I will make you suffer this. You will suffer for ruining the relationship I have with my brother.
Oh, shut up your mouth. Shut up, Chego not say so. You see, for everybody wey dey here, you be princess. But for where I dey, you be school rats. Who da you now? Wetin dey worry you? Just small push why I push you. You don dey cry. What if I come crush you, Kwano? I tell you say make you stay away from me, but you no hear. I do on my own, oh, your brother come carry me, come for this paradise. Why they enjoy? And you want to use your own reggae, spoil my own blues. Onto waiting now, onto what?
Can you just leave here?
Abi, you want make I wear you 500?
Can you leave here, please? Excuse me. Can you just get out? I will call the guards on you, and I mean it. Leave here now.
Shut up. Go clear.
Guards! Thief.
Money.
What did you say?
I talk say I want money now.
This is not happening. Did you say you needed money?
I don't understand now. You don't want to give me money. Leave am.
Wait. Is this another new way of trying to, you know?
My boss, leave him, don't worry.
That's not what I mean.
No worry, leave him.
It's just that you've never asked me for money before. You've never opened your mouth to ask me for money. Even when I try to give you, you always tell me that you have more than enough to sort yourself out, you don't need my money, and all that. And, you know, I'm actually happy that for once you can ask me for money, you know. It makes me feel like I own you now. See, listen. Whatever it is you need, whatever it is you want, that you feel I can do for you, feel free to ask me. I will do it.
You mean
Yes. So, how much do you need?
I can no be nickname. Anyhow you want them, we go give them to you. If you try.
Who asked you what's in your dan?
It's the princess wife to be.
Why? Bring your hands down first. Bring your hands down. Why we should do that? You guys should stand up. Meaning what? Are you trying to look down on my authority? I said you should stand up. She does not have any right to punish anyone in this palace.
You're mad. Something that was you the craze. You want make I tear you slap?
What right do you have to punish them?
Which right you get to tell them they stand up? You're mad.
I don't have the time. See, you guys, just stand up.
By the power where they inside me as the prince's wife, I command you to stay there. If you stand up, I go tear all of 150, they mad.
Well, let me get something clear. Who am I?
I'm the princess!
I'm the princess! Who am I?
I'm the princess!
I am the princess. So I command you all to stand.
Hold on there. Who are you?
You are the princess to be.
Make on and remain there.
Why are you so aggressive towards the palace servants?
I don't understand. Na me they follow the talk to like that. Na me they talk to like that. You don't even ask questions. Just the para they shut on top my head. Don't wait me now.
Okay, fine. Let me ask the question. What is their offense? Why punish them?
I give them instruction. I tell them say, make they call me queen. Anywhere they see me, call me queen. If they see me for kitchen, queen. See me for car park, queen. Even for room, queen. But they know they call me queen. They go just they tell me say they forget. But I know say na because they no one call me queen. I got change am for them now.
Just that. But tell me, just that?
Queen na joke to you. You no know wetin be queen.
Kenechukwu. Listen to me. You don't have to force it. You don't have to. Respect is earned. It's not by force. You need to calm down. When you continue this way, they will disrespect you. You will lose your respect. And when you calm down, the respect will come by itself.
What are you trying to do?
I don't understand. Which kind of question be that one? Which kind of level? Why they ask me? Wetin concern you?
Don't tell me you want to smoke here.
Wetin concern you?
Well, I'm sorry to tell you, we don't smoke here. Don't do it.
Abeg, come up for here.
No. If you want to smoke, you can take it outside, but don't do it here. Okay? This is the palace. You don't do it here. This is not a club. If you want to smoke, you take it outside.
Na me you dey follow talk. Na me you dey you know say na me be the soon to become queen.
Who gave you queen? Queen in your dream. In your dreams, right? Fool. Hello, miss. Let me tell you something. We don't smoke in this palace. If you want to smoke, you go outside. And if you insist on doing it here, I will make sure I lock you. Read my lips. I will lock you up.
Lock who? Na me you dey lock. You dey mad? Na me you dey lock. Na see this school rat o. You go just dey talk to me anyhow. Me wey go soon become queen. Come o. Wetin you dey do for this house sef? No be your mate dey school. You dey here dey talk to me anyhow. I go soon change am for you. Don't worry now. No be me. You know as e dey be. You go soon color pink. I go change am for you. You dey talk to me. Who be that? Who be that? The internet, they look like that as if you see masquerade.
Who are you?
Now which kind of question be this so? Na me they ask. You just enter person house and I don't just ask who you be.
I am the Onowu of this kingdom, and I demand to speak with the prince immediately.
I be Ekene. See, make I tell you, Ekene no be joke. On how you jump up, I go crush you. But see, they fine.
I want to speak with the prince.
Prince no dey. Hafa, any show, get any deal, I go run am for you now.
Prince is the person I'm here to see. But since he is not around, whenever he returns from where he went to, tell him to reach out to me. By the way, are you not aware that this is a palace? A sacred place that you are smoking and languishing in vanity? Are you not aware?
Now see this man. Shebi I tell you say Prince no there Abi. Abi you want make I show you another style Abi. I come out for here and I dey here they preach for me. Which kind you preaching be that? Oga come out for here now. I know they joke. They go. One speak grammar Abi. You want tell me say you go school. I no blame you now. They fine.
Philip. Is this you? Come here. You're looking good.
No.
How have you been and where have you been?
I've been around. I mean, I should be asking you, where have you been?
My dear, I went for a business summit in Dubai. I just came back yesterday.
You look good.
You look well too.
Thank you.
So, were you able to see the prince?
Yes, I have seen him. But though everything is not okay, out of annoyance and the stupid behaviors of his sister, I have to leave the palace. But the most important thing here is that he never bothered looking for me.
He has been looking for you now. Yeah, he came to the office in search of you. I even went to your house myself before I traveled. Does it mean that you guys have not been in touch since then?
That's not true. I mean, I'm sure he has never bothered looking for me.
Meanwhile, he sent me a voice note, which I was unable to retrieve. I'll have to reach out to him.
It's okay, everything is fine. And I believe he's okay too.
No, he has to be. I'm back now. Don't worry. Where are you heading to?
I just want to pick up one or two.
And you're stressing yourself. I beg, come in. Let me drop you off.
I feel it.
Baby girl. Yeah, this office is doing you well.
Open the door.
It's open.
Thank you.
What is wrong with you? Tell me, I want to know. What is it? What?
Bros, no dey shout now. Why you come follow me dey talk like this? Wetin dey occur now?
You call me bros. No, you refer me as bros.
Who vex me?
Do you know what you have to let me explain to you? You just jeopardize my ascension to the throne by insulting Diono. What is wrong with you?
No, I don't understand. I take insult am now. I take insult. I take spoil things for you.
You're still asking me questions. The man that came so I can discuss my wedding with him, you did the same thing. You insulted him. You spoiled everything. What is wrong with you?
No vex, now why you just the vex the boy like hey, calm down now.
Shut up, boiling like egg. What is wrong with you? What have I gotten myself into? Wait. I want to ask you a very important question and I need answers. Tell me. Since when did you start smoking in Ghana?
Bros, now you dey talk this thing. India hemp dey more medicinal than cigar now. Now why they prefer to take am?
I never knew. Wait, were you pretending all this while? Were you lying to me? Because the Kenuku I know does not smoke. Talk more of Indian hemp. What's going on?
Bros, I beg, no verse. I just dey hold the urge since. Just the whole I just dey control am since. Na your sister just provoke me, wey make me just. No verse, I beg. You know what happen again?
Honestly, I am so disappointed in you. And I regret bringing you back.
Hey. Ekene, you don't lose guard though. Ekene, you don't feel hold yourself. You don't feel control yourself. Not just small. See your plan. See beautiful plan. See Prince. See you. Hey, Ekene. What do you want to now?
So like I was saying, you just have to calm down. Yeah? Do you understand that I love you? Okay? I am not.
Sir, what should I offer you? And you, man?
Okay, give me something soft, okay? And maybe what would you like to take?
No, why you go come in, ma? For waiting now? For what? Why you go come in, ma? I dare too small for you to call me queen. Address me as your queen, Jory, the Chris.
I'm sorry, my queen. What should I bring for you, my queen?
Give me black bottle. Any black bottle, bring them come. Big one, oh, big size. You go come arrange them with better owa, nkobi. Make sure say you put onion and pepper. Oh. Bring them come. Now it's now. They go now.
Babe, what are you saying? I mean, when did you start taking alcohol? I've never heard you talk about it before. Even the smell of alcohol makes you feel weird. Now you're ordering it in my presence? What's going on? People, what happened to you? Why are you ordering alcohol in my presence? Even the smell of it makes you feel bad and you're ordering it? And what's this language you're using? What's going on? Why are you talking this way?
Sorry. Get me something. I know something soft. Soft. Something soft.
Babe. Huh? Honestly, I take full responsibility of whatever it is that has happened to you. Please, I just need you to calm down. Just relax, okay? I don't know. The way you talk, everything about you has just changed. I don't... God help me. Babe, are you okay? Are you sure?
I don't think I'm going to continue with this. What is this? What really happened to Kenuku that made her change this way? She keeps getting worse by the day that I could barely recognize her. She looked so damaged and annoying. I don't think I'll go on with this marriage. No. I need to be sure who I'm dating. I need to be sure who I am getting married to.
obvious say this marriage something no go work. Oh. This guy don't dey see wetin he no like for where I dey. And if I say make I pretend to him now, I no sabi pretend. And if I say make I manage pretend am, for how long will me I wan pretend? The only thing wey I suppose do na to just comot for this palace. But before I comot, I gats pack some money. But where this guy dey keep him money? Abi maybe make I start from gold. If I carry gold comot, e no bad. But I gats carry money join am.
Philip, my prince. My prince.
Look at you.
My brother. Oh, you look good. This kingdom is doing you well.
Philip, I've been trying to reach you.
My brother, I've been out of coverage for like 2 months. I told you I was traveling to Dubai now.
Really?
I just came back a few days ago.
You look good.
You look good too, bro. You look good. Mama! Meanwhile, you sent me a voice note. I couldn't retrieve it.
Oh, yes. It's about Kenuku. I was trying to give you the good news, Somehow I found her and, it's been nice. I told you I can't let her go. So that's it.
Which Kenuku are you talking about?
The one you and I know now. Oh, she's there in the palace.
My prince, are you okay? No, I need to ask. Because the Kenuku we both know, Kenuku I saw a few days ago, told me that you not even tried contacting her since she left the palace.
Wait, Kenuku told you that?
My prince, who or which Kenuku do you say you stay with in your palace? Because the Kenuku we both know, as I said, should be at work by now.
Kenuku? This is serious. Kenuku? Philip, no. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Philip. No. This is unbelievable.
Philip, please, what's going on? What are you saying?
See, he said he has been living with a Kenuku in the palace for weeks now. And that was why he wasn't able to reach out to you.
I don't understand. I don't get it. You both are making this up, right?
Kenuku, listen. I have the exact replica of you in the palace. I don't know what is going on, but right now, I don't know which is Kenuku.
What are you saying? Are you trying to say I have a twin?
Where do you think you are going?
I don't understand. Which kind of question be that one now?
Where do you think you are going?
Nah, see wahala. Bless the grace abi. Now you tell me make I come up for your brother house. They ask me question.
Fine, okay? It's so fine that you are leaving. But certainly you are not going with my brother's money.
Which money will they talk about?
I guess he didn't tell you about the cameras in his room. I saw you. You went to his room and took his money. So where do you think you are going with the money? Please, kindly drop that bag and leave this palace.
See, you know, say you just disturb me anyhow for this palace, abi. Since why I enter here, you just be obstacle for me. Who are you now? Who you be? What's the worry you? What make I want you?
I'm going to call the guards on you now.
If I not kill you for here, don't say I not be kene. You don't mad?
Are you going to keep this money and leave this place now?
If I don't kill you, I don't be a kene. I cannot joke to you, abi. You don't crazy. You don't mind. Come on for my road, make I walk come up for here now.
Oh my God.
Who you be? Where you from come? What is this? This is unbelievable. So it's true.
What is this all about?
One night, I overheard my mom crying. Then my dad was cuddling her. She was crying and saying they would have adopted my twin sister. That she's afraid she might not end up in a good home, just like me. But my father told her that they cannot afford to adopt my twin sister. I never took it serious. I have a sister. That was when I knew that I was adopted. But then I never took it serious. I have a sister. I have a twin. I have a sister. They tell me say my mama and my papa died for fire accident. I don't know who they be. I never see them before. The woman will bring me up. They very wicked and mean. This woman show me shege. This woman push me in that street wey make me the thief. They collect people things anyhow. I don't know say you get person wey resemble me like this. Person wey dey like I dey.
All this now makes sense to me. I'm so sorry for the way I treated you earlier. I had a very terrible experience with her. I guess that was the reason I had to treat you that way.
It's okay.
Kenechukwu, honestly, I thought I had found you. That's why I didn't come looking for you.
Kenechukwu, you don't have to worry about that. I think your sister is my type. I'm going to take very good care of her.
My sister.
So tell me more about yourself.
I don't too talk now. Since now me just dey talk here. Tell me now. Tell me you too now.
You know the way you go around with your words. So beautiful. I feel like you've said only but a little.
Little care. I want take be little now. Now me just dey talk inside, talk. You never tell me anything. I want hear now. Tell me. I want hear.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. You win. So, I think we'll continue this conversation in the car while we drive. Just so beautiful. All right, let's go.
Okay. Nkịta si ya anaghị jo oke ọ bụla akpọrọ ya na ya ga-azakọcha fa ncha niile kpamkpam. Nkịta si ya anaghị jo whenever you call dog just answer. Otu ọbụla o siri chalụ ka abịa Aku even half even. Jello.
Elders of Army Chicken.
My friends. Please.
Elders of Army Chicken.
Yeah.
Queen.
Yeah.
Question.
Yeah.
If Bankiru, our friends, Ochi.
Elders of Amici, you're welcome.
Thank you.
It is with great joy, and it's also my pleasure that I present to you Kenechukwu, my bride to be.
Emana asị na ụkwado oge ya ọ daa prince ya na-echesis my prince
Prince na-afụ ụzọ anyị nọ ka ijizi
naanị anụ olu polisi luo soja asị na ihe kwuru ihe akwụdebi ya afụ ji mkpa afụ ogologo imi ya awafu chọkwen
Ada dị mma. Nnukwu ada. You are welcome. No ada mmadụ.
Awafu chọkwen Olulia, no nna. My friends, welcome.